Hello friend, welcome you on Lamdor Academy. I am Rajendra Lamdor. I am telling about the function in C programming. What is the function of C programming? How to declare, define and call the functions. How the function is working in the C programming. I will show you by the example. Okay. So now we can start about the functionalities. The function. Okay. Function is the group of tasks we can defining the together. This is called a function. But main advantage of the function, we can easy to understand the code of the program. If you define the small functions, so we can understand. Another way of functions, we can divide our program in the different parts, so we can easy to use from the one function. If you sum up the code you want to use many times, then also we define the function, so we do not need to write the many times of the same code. We just call this function will automatically use this code. Okay. Every C programming have at least one function. This is the main function. This main function is defined inside the header file in code stdio.h. If you do not know much about the header files, you can see my header file tutorials. You will find the more information. Declaration of function. Whenever you define in the function, initially you need to declare the function. What is your function? What is the return type of the function? What is the name of the function? And what is the parameter of the function? This is a declaration. You can declare the function using int main, int of number 1 and number 2. Here I defining the return type is return integer type, or function name is max, and I defining the two variables number 1 and number 2 the parameter. Also you can declare the function, simply write the type int max int. Means declaration is just knowing the what is the function, or what is the input, or what is the output of the function. Okay. And whole information about the function you define in the definition part, body part of the function, how to define the function. Now I am showing you definition of the function. Function definition, you define the return type of the function and the name of the function which you want to name. You choose the good name, so you can understand what is your function or how the function is working, or define the parameter list you want to pass in the function, or after that you find the body of the function, what is their body in the function. Or here I am showing the one example of their function return a max between two numbers, int max integer of number 1 and integer of number 2. Okay. Now I am defining the local variable declaration of the function, integer of results. If number 1 is greater than number 2, then result will take the number 1, else result will take number 2. Now if I am taking the number 1 is 10 or number 2 is 20, means passing the variable here check number 10 is less than 20, the condition is false, means result will passing the number is 20. If I take number 1 is 20 and number 2 is 10, then the result value is the local variable. If number 20 is greater than 10 is true, then result will take number 1 means 20, or it result as 20. This is the definition of function. Now after defining the function, we need to call the function inside the main. Okay. So calling the function is just transferring your position from your inside the main function to respective function location, or your execute your whole function. When function execution is completed, then back to in the same location of the function. This is performance task which can return the statement execution, or each functions have a bracket, initial bracket, end bracket. So this is the function body. It's called a main body. Or after returning the function, go to back in main body after the function has completion. So now I am showing you one example how the function is working and how you can define the function. Okay. So you can see here I have taken the one header file include stdio.h. Then I defining the declaring the functions integer int name1 and name2. This is a declaration. Also you can declare int max number 1 and int. Okay. Oh, now I am defining the function main function. Main function we have taken the local variables to int a equal to 100 and b equal to 20, or I have taken the one variable int return type. Okay. Now I am calling the function is the main function. So after here come your cursor, means calling function transferring your here execution. First execute this main function, After that they came location back to here, and then we went for the next process. Means in another way you can tell the max function calling means whole code this was written inside location here. Okay, so here I taking the max number 1 number 2. So here I'm passing 120, means number 1 is 100 and number 2 is 20. If you checking here the number 100 is greater than 20 is condition true, then in the local variable result we'll put number 1 in 100. So now the return will be results 100. The return will be result back to this function, means this function value is 100. This 100 will be assign into the return, and then the return will printing the value of 100. So now you can see the output of this function if I am calling. So you can see the maximum value of the function is 100. Okay, another way, if you can change the value, if b is greater than 10, means you passing the value of 2 and 1, means 100 and 200. If 100 is greater than 200, this condition is false, means program went to the else condition, or 200 is greater than 1, so this condition will be working. If you do not know much about the if and else condition, then you can check my if else tutorials, there you can find the much informations. Now the output will come, the max value is 200. So here you can say the maximum value is 200. I hope you understand what is the function or how is the working, how to passing the control from the location here to directly here transferring the function is completion, then the controller back came to the max value after. This is the process of function working. Thank you friends. If you have any doubt, comment below. Else like, share and subscribe.